as you saw from the earlier clip, I'm mixing a whole bunch of conditioners together. After that, I microwaved it for about a minute to get it nice and hot. And then I added olive oil to it, some of this conditioner, and some of my honey conditioner. Yeah, because I wanted it to be wet when hot when I pot it, so I can get the best penetration possible, because my hair has been extremely dry lately. So, and as you can see, my color is fading, but I wanted to fade. I wanted to get lighter so I can do something else with it without having to bleach it or anything like that. So I've already washed it. I just washed it. Now I'm about to add this conditioner. So I just put together a whole bunch of samples I had lying around that I probably wasn't going to use anytime soon because I had them for a very long time. Basically when I first bleached my hair, I had got it. So this is the consistency. It's not really thick, but it's not thin, but it's really creamy and it's super warm, but not hot. So that's kind of what I wanted. I just wanted to open up my hair, just penetrate as deeply as possible to make sure my hair is super moisturized. As you can see, it seems to be this absorbing into my hair, and I like it. So I'm just working that in, making sure every strand is coated.